Alright, we got us another vacuum here. It is another Aspiron. I have two of them. I have the canister and I have this upright. And it's a nice looking vacuum. It's kind of plasticky, but I haven't used it yet either, like my other one. I just barely started using the other one, the canister. This one I haven't used at all. But what's neat about this one, on the head you have right there different settings. One is for low carpet, one is for bare floor, one is for medium carpet, high carpet, and maximum carpet. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this on medium carpet, like what we got here. And that adjusts the, right here, the feet on it, which raises up and down. And this little switch right here loosens your head. And then this one right here is your power. So we'll go ahead and turn this on and see what it's got for vacuum. Okay. Wow. Has so much horsepower it sucks the vacuum towards you. Definitely has a crazy amount of suction. On this one, it doesn't look like you can change the amount of suction like you can on the canister. So let's go ahead and put this back together. Put the hose back on. The hose kind of goes around like this. And we'll go ahead and it's actually really lightweight too. So let's go ahead and see how well this one works. And you can see the canister is empty. Hopefully you can see in there. Let's give this a little run. Oh, I can see stuff already. Let's see if I can get that on the camera. Let's turn that down a little bit. Look at that. That's how much pet hair this is getting. Oh my goodness. I wasn't sure we were going to keep this thing. Look at that. We just vacuumed it a couple days ago with our shark, which actually does a really good job. But right now our dog is dumping so much hair, you pet her and you just see the hair just falling off of her. My wife took her outside and brushed her off a couple days ago and we got a bundle that big. And it's like, she's only a 25-pound dog. Oh my goodness. We just vacuumed it, but of course our carpet gets dirty pretty good because we've had a lot of crazy weather lately with rain and wind, and we get crazy winds around here with dirt. And with me working outside and constantly in and out from the garden and everything else, tracking a lot of dirt and stuff. But you can see most of that. But look at this. Look at that. Can you see that? Look how much that is. Sheesh. This thing is sweet. You can see all the dust and dander in there. Pet dander. And like I said, I used the shark about less than a week ago. And this is just off of this little patch right here. Wow. Of course, most of it is puppy hair. So this is kind of a neat little vacuum. These are about $100. Our Bissell was, our Shark was almost 200. Well, we used to have a Bissell too, one of those $40 Walmart ones, which actually had a lot of suction, but then we got the Shark, which even had more. And now we have this Aspiron, and this thing is crazy amount of suction. This one wouldn't work very well for doing in your car. I mean, you could kind of move it around with that hose, because it does have the tube end on it that this guy right here does have that, and it does have the little one for doing your furniture with a little spin head and everything. But I don't know, I think I'm definitely gonna be keeping this one. This one, even though it's a $100 vacuum and our Shark was $200, I'm thinking this is almost outperforming the Shark. Maybe at least equal to the Shark, I would say. I think this has more suction than the Shark, of course. But there's our Shark right here, which is, it's the lift away, which is actually probably about twice the weight of this Aspiron. So this one, I would say, is actually a major go. If you can't afford a Shark, this would be a nice one. Like I said, they're around $100, so they're still pretty spendy, but definitely works good. Alright. Thanks for watching. I'm going to finish vacuuming my carpet with my new vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching. Bye.